Most drivers think choosing motor oil is simple. Walk into a store, grab a bottle that looks good, and pour it in. But what they don't know is this. Some synthetic oils can extend your engine's life by years, while others can quietly poison it from the inside out. Today we're revealing the 9 synthetic oils mechanics trust the most. The oils they use in their own cars and in customers' engines when reliability actually matters. And then, we expose the 5 worst synthetic oils, the ones that mechanics say are responsible for sludge buildup, engine failure, oil consumption, and catastrophic breakdowns long before a vehicle ever should fail. Friendly reminder, like, comment, share, and subscribe so you never miss a video that could literally save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now let's get into it. Let's start with the best, the 9 oils mechanics actually trust. Number 1, the industry benchmark synthetic oil. Every mechanic has that one oil they recommend over everything else. The one that consistently beats others in wear protection tests, heat resistance, and long-term stability. This oil is famous for holding viscosity in real driving conditions, not just in lab environments. It protects engines under high heat, heavy load, turbo boost, long-distance driving. Stop-and-go traffic mechanics trust it because engines running this oil come in cleaner, quieter, and with less wear on internal parts. When a customer asks, "What's the safest oil to run long-term?" this is usually the answer. Number 2, the high-mileage specialist. If your car has over 100,000 miles, this oil is often the mechanic's go-to. And here's why. Over time, seals start to dry out. Engines begin to burn oil. Tiny leaks appear. This oil contains seal conditioners that rejuvenate older engines, reduce oil consumption, and prevent the most common aging problems. Mechanics love it because they've seen high-mileage engines run smoother and leak less after switching to this blend. It also includes powerful detergents that break down sludge that older cars are more prone to. If your vehicle is aging, this is the oil that keeps it alive longer. Number 3, the extreme heat protector. Not all synthetic oils handle heat the same way. Some thin out under extreme temperatures, and once oil thins, metal rubs on metal. This oil is engineered to resist thermal breakdown better than almost anything on the market. Mechanics recommend it for drivers who live in very hot climates, tow trailers, drive long distances, use turbocharged engines, sit in traffic in 100+ degree weather. Its heat resistance is so strong that engines stay quieter and cooler even in severe conditions. If your engine runs hot, this is the mechanic-approved lifesaver. Number 4, the turbocharged engine defender. Turbo engines generate intense heat and pressure. They spin up to 200,000 plus RPM, and cheap oils simply cannot handle that level of stress. This particular synthetic oil is engineered with additives that reduce low-speed pre-ignition, prevent carbon buildup, protect turbo bearings, maintain viscosity under boost. Stop scorching inside the turbo mechanics. Trust it because turbo failures are expensive. And they've seen this oil dramatically reduce the risk. If your car is turbocharged, this oil is practically mandatory. Number 5, the fuel-efficient synthetic oil. Drivers looking to save on fuel often overlook one simple fact. The right synthetic oil can actually improve gas mileage. This oil reduces internal engine drag, letting parts move more freely. And the best part? It does this without sacrificing protection. Mechanics recommend it for hybrids, daily commuters, newer sedans, long highway drivers. Over time, the savings add up, especially if you drive a lot. Number 6, the cold start champion. Cold starts are when most engine wear happens, roughly 80% of total wear, according to industry studies. When oil is thick and cold, it takes time to reach the top of the engine, leaving it unprotected. This oil is engineered to flow instantly in freezing temperatures. Mechanics in northern states swear by it because they've seen engines survive brutal winters thanks to its ultra-fast lubrication. If your winters drop below freezing, this is the synthetic oil your engine begs for. Number 7, the longest-lasting extended drain oil. Some oils are good for 3,000 miles, some for 5,000. This one? Mechanics have seen it hold strong far beyond typical intervals. Its resistance to oxidation, sludge, and viscosity breakdown makes it one of the best options for drivers who either drive long distances, forget oil changes, want maximum engine protection. Do mostly highway commuting mechanics trust it in their own cars, because it maintains protection when other oils start breaking down. Number 8, the performance synthetic oil. For drivers with powerful engines, track builds, or modified cars, this oil is the gold standard. It resists shear breakdown even at high RPMs, intense heat, and full throttle pulls. Mechanics love it because engines using this oil show fewer signs of bearing wear, viscosity collapse, foam formation, heat-related damage. If you push your engine hard, this synthetic oil gives you peace of mind. Number 9, the best budget synthetic oil mechanics approve of. Not everyone wants to pay premium prices, but mechanics don't recommend cheap oil because low-quality oils destroy engines. Instead, they recommend the best affordable synthetic oil that still offers strong wear protection, viscosity stability, sludge resistance, additive quality. Fleet mechanics use it in taxis, delivery vehicles, and daily beaters. It's the best balance of affordability and protection. Now let's talk about the worst, the 5 synthetic oils that mechanics warn you to avoid. These oils don't just perform poorly. Some are known to ruin engines long before their time. Number 1, the sludge maker. Mechanics hate this oil because they've torn down engines filled with thick, sticky, tar-like sludge, even in cars that weren't that old. The problem is its weak detergent package. It doesn't keep contaminants suspended, so they settle and harden inside the engine. Sludge causes overheating, low oil pressure, piston ring failure, reduced power, complete engine failure. When mechanics see sludge, this oil is one of the usual suspects. Number 2, the oil that burns too fast. Some oils evaporate under high heat. This one is notorious for burning off quickly, leaving engines running dangerously low on oil. Once an engine runs low, bearings lose lubrication, metal rubs on metal, heat skyrockets. Damage is instant and irreversible. Mechanics constantly see customers shocked because their engine suddenly failed, but they were running on practically no oil. This oil evaporates too fast, and the results are catastrophic. Number 3, the shear down disaster. Some synthetic oils start out at the right viscosity, but within a few thousand miles, they thin out dramatically. Once viscosity drops, the oil can't hold up under pressure. Mechanics notice noisy engines, increased wear, timing chain rattle, turbo issues, hot idling problems. If you drive a turbo or in heavy traffic, this oil can literally grind your engine's life away. Number 4, the load failure oil. This oil simply can't handle heavy loads. Mechanics see trucks and SUVs come in with bearing wear, rod knock, hot spots, unusual friction patterns. When towing or hauling, engines get much hotter, and this oil breaks down fast under that stress. It's not built for real-world conditions. Mechanics avoid it for any vehicle that works hard. Number 5, the overhyped, underperforming premium oil. This oil is marketed extremely well. Shiny bottle, big promises, fancy labels, but inside the engine, it fails key tests. Mechanics report weak cold start protection, low anti-wear additives, faster oxidation, poor longevity. It's all marketing and no performance. Engines running this oil show early wear during teardown, and mechanics can spot it instantly. Choosing the right synthetic oil is one of the cheapest and most effective ways to make your engine last longer. And choosing the wrong one? It's one of the quickest ways to shorten its life, sometimes by tens of thousands of miles. If this video helped you understand which oils protect your engine and which ones silently destroy it, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more mechanic-approved tips. Protect your car, protect your wallet, and protect your engine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.